Okay, let's start. Prepare the chicken. Achuete, anato seeds, dato puti, soy sauce, calamansi juice, extract, salt, pepper. This is a 3/4 kilo chicken. Babad natin siya. Handa na natin yung babaran. First, ito pala. Lagyan natin ng salt yung mga chicken. Pepper. Okay. Set aside. Now, gawin naman natin yung babaran. Babad natin yung ating chicken overnight in soy sauce, calamansi, vinegar, one teaspoon sugar, white or brown. Taste natin mismo to. Yes, perfect taste. Dagdagan natin ng konting vinegar. Habulin natin yung masarap na masarap. Yes. Dapat ito palang babaran. Okay na. Kasi ganito magiging lasa ng chicken natin. Okay, lagyan lang natin siya ng maraming garlic. And some ginger. So ayan na. Then we put it here sa ating chicken. So overnight siya dito sa solution na to. We cook this tomorrow. Lagyan natin ng mga inasal cuts. And that's it. Let's wait for it. Masarap na to. Smell pa lang, smell. Let's put in Ziploc bags. Nice. Let's lock it in. So there it is, anato seeds. It's color red. So yan ang kukulay sa ating chicken. See the color there? Red, red, and red. Okay, I think that's it. That's our coloring agent. Put this turbo. Ayan natin ang tubig yung ilalim. Para yung steam hindi mawala yung moisture ng ating chicken. Because this is not barbecue chicken. This is turbo. Turbo chicken. Put this ginger. Ang pabango. Para yung air niya mabango. This is star anise. Ang pabango din. Ngayon, let's put our chicken. Chicken in a bag. 12 hours marinating. So ito 12 hours marinating, oh. In soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, garlic. So ayan. Ganyan ang ano niya, yung skin facing up. Facing up kasi yung ano, yung air, yung hot air ng turbo galing sa taas eh. Will go down ganyan. Okay, let's fire it up. Fire it up. 1 hour, 200 degrees. Fire it up. Maganda to, mabilisan lang. 200 degrees. There we go. So yan, antay na lang tayo. Check natin in 15 minutes, okay? Okay. That's already 15 minutes. Pahid na natin ng ating coloring agent to make it that standard red. Standard red color. Anato seed. Anato achuete. Okay. Continue. Here's our salad dressing. Onion, tomato, carrots, chili. Our standard. In salt and pepper and vinegar. So 30 minutes in na tayo. Let's check. So that's the chicken. Lagay pa tayo ng anato oil. Kasi may oil din to eh. So yung oil niya will keep the skin moist. Yun, yung pinaka-oil niya. Olive oil. Yan. So, let's continue. 30 minutes. 30 minutes more. And we're done. So ito na yung finished product ng chicken natin. Turbo chicken inasal. Plating na natin na. Banana leaf. And there, that's it. That's our turbo chicken inasal.